Hi guys, this is Tabish and you're watching this video on Tajify YouTube channel, and after a very long time I'm posting a quick video clip. Actually, I was writing this article about Note 9, Galaxy Note 9 in 2019, and last year I have been posting that when I was using Note 8 that why I'm not changing my mobile from Note 8 to Note 9, and I was posting about complete specs of Note 9, and now we are very close to see the release of Note 10, which is another which is going to be another very nice phone by Samsung in Note series. But I still believe that Note 9 in 2019 still a very good phone. And if you see the main four features of any good phone is like its design, its battery timing, its productivity, its hardware, and also its price. And all the four things in 2019 about Note 9 are very good. So consider it if you want to look into the Note 9 series or a Note series and compare the price of Note 9 with Note 10, which is going to be released now. That the price on Note 9 has been dropping so much, and I think this is going to be a very good deal if you decide to go for Note 9. Actually, I'm looking for Note 9. By the way, this video I'm filming very quick without any equipment, so might be my voice is not so good in this video, and I'm filming it with OnePlus 6 front camera. So tell me in the comments how was this video. Thank you. Bye bye.